Hey guys, got another tin EX on this says. Let's see what will they give us onto this tin. Okay, one promo card and Obsidian Flames, Scarlet and Violet, Silver Tempest, Astardians. That's kind of nice. I'm going to go with the Obsidian Flame first. They have really nice pull rate. Ooh, nice. I just hit that one. River Room. It's like a dollar card. I'll take it. Hit is a hit. I think I just hit it yesterday too. That's why it's called the trading card game. So we can go and trade it. Okay, one from the back. Sure, why not? That way we have the best card from the back. Obsidian Flame never fails. I don't know what's a lineup on this. Let's just do two cards. Nothing. This case is hit and miss for sure, because loose packs, you never know what you're going to get. Nothing again. And a Scarlet and Violet, never hit anything on it. Let's see if it's going to change my luck. And nothing. Well, we got one hit, plus there's one promo EX. We'll take it. Well, let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.